to another episode of Dirty Garage Mods. Today I'm going to be working on my Pontiac G6. Going to be an odd video, but I figure I might as well do it. This is going to be a video on the part you need and my choice of oil, which isn't a big deal. Everybody has their choice. You can always go buy what is recommended, which is 5W30, but I went ahead and bought 10W30 because I have high mileage. But this is going to be how to change your oil. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alright, everybody's different. Everybody jacks up in different spots. I jack up right here. There's a plate that you can put it on. You're not going through things. It's actually pushing through the floor a little bit, but it ain't bad. So yeah, so there we are. And now I'll take you guys underneath. Alright, so here we are. Back under the car. And I'm going to drain the oil. I'll show you the oil filter I'm using. And go from there. If you drop your plug in your oil pan, it ain't no big deal. It just takes getting a magnet, or if you don't have a magnet, I guess fill it around. So I think I got this one. For the choice of oil filter I'm going to be using, it is the PF47E acdelco professional oil filter. It's a recommended oil filter for this particular model of Pontiac G6. So choose a filter that you want. I don't recommend Fram. I'm not going to go into details, but I'm not a Fram fan. So these are only $4 to $6 a piece, so that's what I usually get. So anyways, go ahead and get that drained. Alright, now the fun part. Put the oil plug back in, and then try to get the oil filter out without making a giant mess, which I always do anyhow, so it don't matter. Excess oil. Tighten that up. You don't want to over tighten your oil plug, just snug it up. Alright, now the oil filter is extremely filthy. So I change my oil once a month for anybody that's need to know, because the job I do requires my vehicle to have it done once a month. So alright, so drop your oil filter. I'll try to do this carefully without making too big of a mess. We'll make a mess no matter what. That drain off. It's amazing how much oil is sitting there. get another quart of oil just right in there. And a tiny filter. Take this, drop it in there and make a bigger mess. Then you let that drain. Get oil everywhere. The only thing I hate about these cars, you cannot get an accurate way to drain it. Alright, then you go ahead and replace your oil filter with the PF47E acdelco professional grade oil filter. It helps put a little oil on the seal. I generally just use a little bit of used oil out of the pan. Some people wouldn't recommend that, but like I said, I change my oil once a month, so it don't matter. Put this up there. Get it started. Of course, you guys can't see that probably, but you want to make sure it's good and snug. Alright, so there we are. I'll take you guys up top and we'll finish the final stage of changing the oil. Alright, so for anybody that's wanting to know, I'm using this Meyer brand oil. It's just conventional, cheapest oil I can find. Like I said, I change my oil once a month, so it changes from month to month, but I keep it as conventional oil only. So yeah, so here we go. I'll go ahead and get this filled up, and yeah, actually put a seal on. This is a 5-quart system, by the way. So this whole gallon goes in. That on there. Go ahead and do a quick start. Alright, take your towel, check your oil level, make sure it's good. It's still up on the jack, so it's not going to be level. There we go, now it's level. There we go, we're good to go. She's full and ready for another 6,000 miles of driving. So I'll take you inside and show you how to reset the oil light, and we'll go from there. Okay, so it says change oil soon. So this is what you do. You go to your menu, turn the radio down, and you go to oil life reset, and you hold down the enter button for 5 seconds. Acknowledge, let up, and now when you go to your info, it will say 100% oil life. That is your oil dummy light. It's all built into the radio. Like I said, this is a 2005 Pontiac G6 GT, so
I don't know from model to model, but I think if you have this type of system, I think it's the same. So, anyways, if you like what you see, smash that like button, and that helps get my videos out there a little bit more. And subscribe and comment below if you think I left anything out or if this helped you in any possible way. Please let me know. And yeah, we will. I will see you guys in the next part. Part 3 of this video will be replacing the heater resistor, blower resistor, and then part 4 will be changing the dimmer switch. So I will see you guys in. Thanks for watching.